Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Well, London has started already. Maybe a little too early, right? So, let's go. Let's see what's happening. How is everybody doing on this fine morning? The kill zone is officially on, and as usual, I'm expecting a phone call. All right. Price was hovering around. Morning, Mihails. How you doing? Morning, morning. First applause goes to you. I was looking at the 1 hour chart and I pretty much like this order block up here. At 18,000, almost 500. What's the start of this candle? 480. Sorry, no. Open of this candle is 500.50. So I'm gonna put it right there. 500.50. Joey and Trader Oracle. Huge applause to you guys. How is everybody doing? All right. What happened here? Sunday market open, gapped up, spiked a little higher, made a low here. Hard to say. Maybe it can go higher, but that's just a maybe. Oh well. Come on, what the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? Could this be a continuation of a liquidity run? Who knows? All the way up to 320, 330. I don't know. ES also trying to go higher. Bearish order block starting. Well, it mitigated at once, so I think we're pretty much bullish for this London session. And no news, of course. No news so far. At the VWAP, which is acting as resistance right now, but if it's repricing this gap, I don't know. Small liquidity sweep down here, not significant, but could be enough as a continuation. If I go to the 5-minute, there is an order block at 26-ish. Let me check some numbers. Let me check some numbers. This one should be working. I think we're pretty much bullish today. So far that's what it seems like. So let me know if you guys think otherwise, because I'm open for ideas. But I do like this gap. What is happening? So barely touched this gap on the 1 minute. Could this be enough? Oh, there's a liquidity void. All right. There's a liquidity void down at 300. So that could be interesting. Good morning, Marco. Good morning. How is everybody doing? How you doing, Marco? Having a great week this week. Is going to be awesome, guys. So liquidity void down there on the mini. Let me check. George, hey, nice to see you. Yeah, so on the mini Nasdaq there is a liquidity void. On the micro there is none. Let me show you. There is this liquidity void down here. That's not a strong level, but sometimes price likes to go down there. Since we have no news, and nothing special happened over the weekend, hard to say what could we expect. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So I'm wondering if we're gonna go lower a little bit. Morning, Oliver. Didn't see you there. How are you guys? I was watching some other time frames, but nothing so far. If you zoom out on the 15-minute or even on the 1 hour, it seems like we're just consolidating here. Could be a bullish flag. I'm bullish because of the 1 hour bearish order block up at 18,500. So I'm gonna put it right there. Let that be clearly known that I'm looking for that level. So I'm gonna stay bullish, that's for sure. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. So the level where the void is at 299. The open of this candle is at 99.25. $99.25. So that would be a risky long position, even if I want to take out that high. Yeah, that would be a risky one. $2.99. Do we want to go aggressive? I like the 1 hour chart as being bullish. I know it's a bearish order block, but it didn't really break or broke these levels at 51.86 on ES. So this is just because of that Fed member was speaking last week, which means market could still be bullish. Of course, that's just speculation, but I might want to put a buy limit at 99.50, maybe. $99.50. Can I do that? $99.50. I don't know. Good morning, Trader G. Nice to see you. Push the likes, guys. Push the likes. Looking forward to an awesome London session. So this gap is interesting. Looking forward to that. Otherwise, let's just wait. On micro, you cannot see it. On the mini, you can see it. So, not even sure what I want to do with that. It's very close, actually. It's only 5 points away. To be tagged. How was your weekend, everyone? How is everybody doing? All right. So I'm having a limit order at 299.50. It's an aggressive long entry. I like to start the week aggressively. Nothing special, just with micros. Based on this gap liquidity void. So 99.50. Maybe I can modify it to 99.75. I don't know. Maybe. All right, modified it to 99.75. Just to make sure. If Price wants to reprice. Skopje. Wow. Lovely sunny weather. Oh my god, Skopje. That is like, wow. That's like, how did they say it? Macedonia? 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 Macedonia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Macedonia or Macedonia. Anyway. That must be a beautiful place. That must be a beautiful, beautiful place. Macedonia. Oh yeah. Well, I wish I could I wish I could pronounce it properly, but you know, that's a beautiful place. Oh, look at, I did not get the tag, so I'm not in the trade, but it was very close to my price level. Hey Marco, ex-Yugoslavia. Oh, I love the team, guys. I love the team. The European branch, you know. Incontinent, I'm speaking. That is awesome. We have everyone. Nice, Marco. The good old Yugoslavia. Good old days. So many stories. My parents and grandparents told many stories from the old times, from the 60s, 70s, how things were different back then, how the countries were working different. Well, as time goes by, the stories are getting, well, the better memories are staying with everyone, I guess. Oh, finally I got my phone call. I'm sorry, guys. I do have to take this one. Just a minute. I'm truly sorry, everyone, but I'm sorry. Family issue. But, you know, the thing is, nothing really happened, right? Although one thing happened. We broke down, swept a little bit of liquidity here. Almost like a seek and destroy pattern here. And let me see just for a second. Do I have a chart here? And welcome everyone who just joined the stream. Sorry again for being away for quite a few minutes. Who's here? Tamimi, sorry. Good morning, Tamimi. Who did I miss? Fendi, hey there. David, Crypto Panda, good morning. Southside player here. Hey. How you guys doing? Huge applause for everyone. Sorry again. I really don't like when these calls are coming in, but that's the case of the Mondays. Short it, Tom. Iron Virgil, hey. Short it. We were just talking about the possible situations, and what I like is the 1 hour chart. I mean, look at this. We have a bearish order block here. Let me show you this one. This. I do like that area as possible target. I like to, for me, it's bullish. I like to see it go higher. That doesn't mean, of course, it's not going to go down. We have a fair value gap down there at 234. ES, same situation on the 1 hour. Sorry. There you go. Order block. And this price drop here was when that Fed member was speaking and totally messed up the markets. So I would say, if we look at the big picture, I mean, this one could be heading higher. Sarah, hey there. Got that beautiful rejection of VWAP on 2 contracts. Nice, perfect. Good one. The only thing that concerns me is the Asia low, which is down here at 270. That could be causing some problem, although I'm in a little bit of a drawdown. Here I'm in a position, and not the best position, but let me open a chart and I can show you guys. Just a second. All right. So this is with micros. Can you guys see that? Let me push this a little bit further back here. To the left, to the right, just a little bit. I don't even take profit on this one yet. To be honest, I'd like to see this go all the way up. Let me measure it just a second. I'm in a drawdown. So down we have, yeah, 39s to the 39s maybe. All right. So my TP is gonna be up there at 39-ish area. I want to see movement to the 1 hour order block. I want to see it break all these highs. And that's it. Maybe take some partials before that. Good morning, good morning. Yo, hey there, Nascalp God. How was you? It was okay. I went long against the VWAP, yes. Exactly the same entry. My stop loss just below Tokyo low. Nice. CryptoFan, tell me your banner on. Yeah, 5%. Yes, it's only 5% because they did not update. You know, the 30% sale is over. It was over on Saturday. So So it's over on Saturday. And right now it's only 5%. They said there should be a new promo coming up. I don't know what the new promo is, but it's only 5%. Good morning, Sadar. So that's why I told you guys, grab your discount. But 5% comes off from the expert accounts too. But that's the biggest discount right now that my funded futures give with any code. So at this very moment, 5% is the biggest discount at my funded futures. The March promo ended last weekend. So everybody is waiting for some new information, but no information yet. Hopefully they will do something. And that's why I put out the standard. How are you doing, Sardar, by the way? Sardar, tell me that you have some good trades. So still, if you go with the expert account, it doesn't really matter because, you know, does TOPSTEP cancel your account if you put more size by the mistake? No, they don't. It's basically it's automatic because you're blocked to open more contracts. But if for some reason NinjaTrader or Quantower or TradeAway would let you open more contract, and if you close the extra contract, they told me this. The support told me, because I was asking the same question, if by some mistake the system would let you to put on more contracts, and if you close it, I mean not after an hour but within 1 or 2 minutes, you close the extra contract the quick as you can, then there will be no issue. So that's a little bit of gray area, but they said it's okay. As soon as they see that, okay, you closed it, that's fine. But the system is blocking you to open more contracts. I bought 6 Apex. Thank you, Libekulu. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you. Yeah, Apex still has the 80% sale going on, and it's for lifetime. BULENOX is also very good, but they are only doing it for the first month. So BULENOX only has it for the first month, so keep that in mind. They have cheap accounts, but only for the first month, all right? Apex gives you the lifetime 80% for the evaluation account. And TOPSTEP, of course, additional 20% if you register through my link. No, Apex gives you lifetime. That's good to know. Yeah. Apex gives you lifetime 80% until you pass the evaluation account, that is. So if you need 2 or 3 months to pass your evaluation account, you're still going to be rebuilt at the discount price. Ninja didn't block me. I put extra size by mistake. I closed it in 2 minutes. You can, you know what? You can raise the support. Hold on. What kind of account was that, Sardar? Was it a 150K or 100K? Which type of 50K, 100K? How many contracts did you go in with? 50K? And how many minis overall? Because you can go with 5 minis. 3. That's fine. You didn't do anything wrong. You can go in on an evaluation account with 5 minis. If it was an evaluation, if it was a funded, then there was a system error. If you write to support, I'm sure they are going to be just okay with it. If it was a funded account. If it was a combine account, then you're good. You can go with 5 minis on a 50K combine. So don't worry about that. Okay then, no problem then. Serdar, you can go with 5 minis on the evaluation, sorry. Evaluation combine, the same. 5 minis, you're good to go. Please don't go with 5 minis, but you're good. So no problem then. No problem. I only need 1 month. I blow my accounts. I don't need it. Well, you know, everybody trades differently. You're fast. You're fast. Let's see. I'm still in drawdown, by the way. I don't know if this one is gonna hold. If it's not gonna hold, then we're just gonna target the Asia lows down there. It's still 20 minutes until London opens, so nothing has been decided yet. Technically, this is a structure break, but nothing special. I like to think that we will be heading for that bearish order block from Thursday, actually. That's a Thursday order block. All right, unfortunately, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. If I get taken out from this one, I will be still looking for a target. I mean, to target the order block up there. I think it should be, maybe not in the London session, but maybe during the New York session, it might go up there. So guys, this is extremely risky. Please do not copy this one because I'm very, very much not proud of this. But hey, last week I made 3 funded accounts. So I'm waiting for the activations today and tomorrow. So 3 funded accounts extra, and I can't wait to journal all those funded accounts to you guys again, maybe on a daily basis, because now we're going for the payouts, guys, and that's what really matters. So I think I'm gonna share at least 3 funded accounts live on stream, but I'm still thinking if I should copy trade them or should I trade them separately. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I copy trade 3 funded accounts, or should I copy trade 2, or should I trade them? I mean, maybe one day one, the second day the other one. I don't know. Different risk management style. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Let me grab a drink. I would trade all with small size. Yes, that's what I was thinking too, to copy trade them with extremely small size. So like I would be risking about $70, $100 per trade, maybe. Depends on the target. Yeah, so these are 50K funded accounts. So payout threshold, I'm aiming above 3K. So yeah. Let me grab a drink. I'll be right back. Push the like button. Unfortunately, I'm in a drawdown. Look at that. We might be going for that that Asia low. Who knows, right? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? What do you guys think? Maybe I was a little bit of too much aggressive on that trade. Oh, and by the way, don't forget we have a giveaway. I totally forgot. Where is the giveaway? There is a giveaway. Let me pin the message out. We do have a giveaway, guys. We do have a giveaway. Let me put this here. No? All right, better. Better, better, better. That's the giveaway, guys. Fill out the form and that's it. That's all you need to do. Okay, all right, all right. It's gonna be on Wednesday, so you still have enough time to subscribe. $400-day inconsistency rule could be, oh, I think my trade is off. Yeah, unfortunate. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. I exited my position with a small loss, so now I'm just going to wait. I had to close it down, so I so hate when the Monday start off with a small loss, because then I always have to dig myself out from these. I just don't like it. I really, really, really don't like it. But I'm out, guys. I'm flat. So what can I do? Just before the London Open, I really wanted this to work out, but it didn't. Better wait, yeah. So this is the Asia low. I'm gonna put a sell side marker here. There you go, at 270. Could be going down there. Then you try covering that small loss. Yeah, that, I mean, days like this when I start with a loss, then the whole day is going to be like trying to dig yourself out from a hole, and it's pretty much not good, because of course it's closed, the 70 is closed, but it's absolutely no guarantee that it wants to take it out. If you go to the 15-minute, well, not sure if it wants to drop down there. So it is what it is, but unfortunate. So I'm out from that trade. was looking good for a little bit, but maybe it was a little bit aggressive to enter right there to go long, but this is the way it is. All right. Maybe for the New York session, I'm gonna go full port with 1 or 2 Apex accounts. Why not? I already have what I need from BULENOX. It might go down to 75. It could, but I don't know if it's gonna be enough for it to go down to. Checking for liquidity voids and such. Nothing so far. Nothing so far. This is Asia low. Can we call this Asia low, I guess? Is it proper to call that? Good morning, Joreget. Trader from Hungary. Zoltan, good morning. How was the weekend? You lost some accounts last week. Yeah, I bought like 8 BULENOX accounts last week, and I've blown 8 or 9. I mean, I bought 8 or 9 accounts, and I blown like 5 or 5. Hold on, how much I bought? Let me check it. Let me check it. I wanted to be funded with BULENOX this week because I want to go slow like we did in March and February with the funded accounts. Yeah, so I bought 10 accounts and I got funded 3 accounts. So I blown 7 accounts at BULENOX last week. I still have my funded account with TOPSTEP, and I won a 150k account from my funded futures, and that account is blown because I was super aggressive scalping on that one. József, jó reggelt, good morning. Another Hungarian trader. Good morning from the Netherlands. Nice. Netherlands. Not the Netherlands, because that was in Mortal Kombat, right? Hey, still, huge applause for every one of you guys. Easy comes, easy goes, yeah. Yeah. The problem was, well, it was not really a problem, but the account was for trade weight, and I tried to do my best, but I wasn't feeling very comfortable, although it's not an excuse, I know, because who cares which platform are you on. But I was focusing on my other accounts at Quant Tower, and I tried to scalp with bigger size on the 150k, and it went to draw down pretty fast in the New York session, like very fast. I was down like $3,000, no, $2,500, something like that. So from that moment I knew that, okay, I can't put extra energy into this account right now because I just can't make it in 30 days. And so I started to go even more aggressive, and I've blown the account. Unfortunately. That's what it is. Easy comes, easy goes. Yeah. Are you starting the portfolio building? Yes, I am definitely doing that. So there's going to be two things. The ones that I'm sharing here on YouTube, and I'm going to be using accounts for, well, myself. But I think I'm willing to build up until the payment, like at least 3 funded accounts here live on YouTube. And so I'm going to trade them here live on YouTube, just as we did in the previous 2 months. I'm going to do the daily recap. The goal is, of course, the payout. And I'm going to go super slow on those accounts. So usually going to be taking about $70-80 risk. I'm going to be usually going with 1, 2, 3 micros on those accounts, and gonna be staying with below $100 risk on that. So good morning, Relucula. You know what, I'm gonna call you Idel. Good morning. Tom, this week let's try not to blow any more account. I'm trying not to. I just wanted to speed up the process a little bit, funded accounts wise, and that's it, you know. I mean, I did calculate. I mean, I calculated like I was willing to spend around $200 or $300 on fast YOLOing evaluation accounts. So I did that, and that's it. And I got 3 accounts funded. So that's how it goes if you want to go fast. But I really don't want it to waste more time with the evaluation phase, especially here on YouTube. So I thought, all right, let's speed this up. And the only way I could do that is by YOLOing a few evaluation accounts. So why I trade like a range? That's a very good question, Josef. That's a very, very, very good question. I just, I mean, I think I do believe in the concept that, I mean, not every day, but most likely if we are in a kill zone, especially after the London Open like this, it looks like a range, but we still have some significant levels. For example, the Asia low. But of course we have these highs, and the question is, of course, good. Why do I trade in range? I guess I just wanted to see a clean move, maybe to the upside, which can happen now. I mean, my target is up there on the 1 hour, and we can never be too early on this one. For example, right here, if this one makes a structure shift higher, then even though it didn't take out the Asia low, that would be interesting to see if it wants to break higher or not. So who knows? But we would need a structure shift. Overall, in the big picture, which is the 1/4 hour for me right now, I'm bullish. I want to see it go up to 18,500. But it made an Asia low here. And I want to wait what it does before it goes up there. 100 lot. Hey there. Can't make any money taking 2 months on evaluations. Yeah, I mean, that's true, but I still wanted to prove to myself as well here on YouTube, just for, I mean, the sake of YouTube, for the live streams, and for myself, that we can go slow. Of course, I did my huge mistake on that specific day where I blew the Apex accounts, but you know, I don't really want to waste more time on evaluations on YouTube. I'm gonna do more evaluations, of course, in the background. I'm gonna be doing them, that's for sure, but I'll try to share, I mean, how should I say this? Of course, I'm gonna share more trades, and I'm trying to put these trades on the funded accounts, which are going to be activated this week. Hopefully today, tomorrow, at least until Wednesday. And you know, we have to make some money finally. We have to be on the line to pay out. You know, I need to make payouts, guys. These were BULENOX accounts, 100 lot. I bought Apex accounts too. I'm gonna buy more, but last week I wasn't really focusing on the Apex accounts. So today, tomorrow, I'll see how news are coming out. Maybe tomorrow we have something more. Nothing. All right. Maybe on Wednesday. So I'm gonna be trying to YOLO some Apex accounts to have at least 2 funded accounts with Apex too. So what I'm going to be doing is sharing at least 1 Apex account, 1 BULENOX account, and 1 My Funded Futures account funded on the stream. That's a goal. That's part of the plan. And those accounts are going to be shared here, which I did before on the daily recap with the evaluations here on live stream. Yeah, so the 1 day pass is definitely a good thing. BULENOX, you still have to trade for 5 days, but it's not a big deal. You open a trade with 1 micro. I can live with that, so it's fine. It was still cheap, so was still okay. But yeah, definitely 1 day pass is speeding up the process. If you know what you're doing, and if you have some solid risk management and money being put away for those accounts. The way I try to YOLO these accounts is to go with at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And of course, I know there's an intraday trailing stop, so that's a little bit problematic, but I try to risk around 100 and, wow, 1300 maybe. $1,300 or $1,400, and at that case I'm not even placing a stop loss, just to take profit. And you know, should be passing at least 1 out of 5 trades with that. I don't know if it's gonna take the Asia low. For now it's just going sideways, but it's like 11 points away from Asia low, so it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell, but also depending what ES wants to do. There is a sell side at 52.37, which I like. Friday PM session low. ES took the Asia lows somewhat. It poked into that, but there is a PM session low from Friday, so I really don't know. I'm not sure. We're still just going sideways. Mindsight, hey, good to see you there. Thanks for joining the stream. I'm doing okay. Unfortunately, had already a loss this morning, so I'm just waiting to see what Nasdaq wants to do here. Had a great weekend. Oh, Cranston White. Almost like Bryan Cranston and Walter White's cousin or something like that. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Cranston White. I feel like Breaking Bad. I love that series. Oh, sorry, Greg. Sorry. Can you show me your 15-minute chart? Sorry, Greg. This is the 15-minute chart. I am sorry. So we have the... You'd be a good cook. Yeah, maybe. So this is the 15-minute. We have it. I have a 200 EMA still from last week here. Right around the middle, still below the VWAP. Nothing special. 270 is still like an Asia low, but it's not really doing anything. So yeah, this is the 15-minute, and I do like that level to the left. That's why I told you guys, sooner or later this should be turning bullish. I would love to see that. I would love to see that happening. Now we're just consolidating here, and we don't know if price wants to take out that Asia low or not. It might be trying to go higher. I have to check on ES2. Swept a little bit the lows right there, so NQ might try to go higher here. We don't know. Still consolidating. No news this morning, right? No. German industrial production. Okay, that doesn't matter. All right. Nothing. It's official. We have nothing. Absolute consolidation. This is typically the case when, you know, we don't do anything. We're just getting bored. So, as I was saying, the My Funded Futures promo is ended on Saturday, but for the expert accounts, you can still get the 5% discount, also for starters. Okay, made a new high. Let's see how it's going to react here. Is it going to shift structure? I think it will. It could. At least that's how it looks like it. Could this be a market structure shift? I don't know. I don't know. It could. So far, technically, it does look like a shift. Especially if it leaves the gap like this. Are we gonna go and take out the high at 300 up there? I don't know. Have to be careful. It should be going for the high if it's really a bear trap. Oh, thank you, Peter. Peace. Thank you so much, Peter. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for the support. All right. Good morning, DX12. Tom, check your DM on Discord. Oh, hey. I don't know. What the heck? Wow, Crypto Panda. Wow, wow, wow. What the heck? Nice job there. Nice job. Crypto Panda just sent me a nice equity curve of one of his accounts. It's beautiful. I do like it. Crypto Panda, wow. Congratulations there. Congratulations. I have to give you an applause for that. Beautiful equity curve. Beautiful, beautiful. That's a real nice one. So are we looking to break this level, or what is happening here? I wonder. What was the high of that? 13.75. For now, it seems like it wants to break it, but if I look at the 5-minute, well, technically it is a structure shift. It could be. Doesn't really need too much. Crypto Panda, it's very nice. It's very nice. It really is a beautiful equity there. And a good job. Good job, good job. Are we breaking higher? I think we do. I think we just did. Well, as I said, I already had one loss this morning, and so I have to think twice what kind of position I do want to take. And this one looks good on the 5-minute as a possible shift, but then I would say that the first area for buy side would be up here. Buy side liquidity at 73. Can it really go up there, or can this one be a fake out? Who knows? Dum, dum, dum. Don't forget, guys, we do have a giveaway. Check out the video. It's going to be on Wednesday New York session. You still have time to fill out the form. Check the video. I explain it there. It's a My Founded Futures 50K account, so go for it. Starter account, that is. But if you watch the video, you'll see why the starter account is also a good deal. And it's free if you win. My Founded Futures is going to activate the account for the winner. Dum, dum, dum. This is going up nicely. This is going up real nice, real nice. And by the way, TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% on the current price if you register with my affiliate link. This shit is pumping, yeah. This shit is pumping. I don't want to be shorting, guys. That's why I was waiting. I mean, the problem is I was long from here. It took me out and now it goes for the targets. If you go to the 1 hour, that's what I think is going to happen. I'm going to put my magical magnet there. this is what I'm gonna think is gonna happen. This level is what I think is going to happen. There, that order block right there. Only new account. Sorry, CryptoPanda. So if you register for a new account, if you use my link and register, you can do it. I mean, yeah, for new accounts. For already registered users, the price unfortunately is the same. That's why I always say, if you register for a new account with the link, your first purchase is gonna have a 20% discount. It's mainly good, for example, if you want to do a good buy. If you go for 150k, of course, 20% is a good chunk. But you have to register with a new account, maybe with a new email address. Of course, it's a little bit of a sketchy thing, because if you already have an account, you can have another one with a new email address, but of course your credentials are going to be, personal credentials are going to be the same. So that's a little bit against the rules. So that's why I always say, if you apply for new registration, then you have 20%, and your first reset is going to be 50% off, I think, something like that. Hey Gorov, applause for Gorov from Brisbane. Brisbane, the weather right now is 81 degree Fahrenheit, which is 27 degrees Celsius. Yeah, partially cloudy, it says, the weather right now. Still humid. Good to see you there. Good to see you there. What the heck am I doing on this chart? So what a move to the upside. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I mean, this is the 5 minute, which is still an entry time frame for me. But if I really want to go for the long, I would like to wait for the 5 minute to go down to the 302-ish area. Wow, look at ES. I must say, like, the VWAP can really act as kind of like resistance or support sometimes. Not just sometimes. I mean, I kind of like, I kind of understand why day traders watch for these levels. But yeah. Again, if you guys would like to help out the stream, please push the like and subscribe. I'm trading every day here on YouTube, and every support is appreciated. Thank you, guys. Let's see what is going on. What is going on? Dum, 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 dum. Retracing a little bit. Well, we don't really know what it wants to do now. But this was a strong move, and I don't have any information of what it's doing. Oh, or sorry, or why was this sudden move to the upside? But this was definitely interesting. Broke out from the range. Yeah. Mondays are definitely not the highest ones. I always start out in the previous weeks. I always start the Mondays with a loss. So just the thing that happened this morning. I was a little aggressive. I saw this move to the upside. So I thought, all right, we can go for these highs, which we did. But first it took me out. So why am I not surprised? I'm still looking the 5-minute. And the main reason is to go for the order block on the 1 hour. So I'm gonna be looking for this 5-minute entry. Maybe it could be a good one. Trying to measure some risk here. Somewhere the entry should be somewhere around 0375, maybe. I don't know. Oh, 375. I placed the limit order at 0375. Let's see if we're gonna get it or not. That would be somewhere around the 50% area on the 5-minute. So I would be looking for that. Where is my chart? Oh, there is it. Okay, so this is my entry. I'm still not tagged in yet. Only with micros. This is still an evaluation account. I'm waiting for the activation of the funded accounts. But until then, why not? Still not there. Am I gonna get filled in or not? Really? Well, Mindsight, with you and me are on the same vibe here. On the same vibe. Is it gonna retrace down there? Should be, or could be. Almost filled. Almost filled. Maybe not. It's still not at the 50% retracement level. So let's try to go for this optimal entry. If it wants to. Ah, look at that. It's teasing, but it's not doing it. It's not doing it, not yet. Good morning, Erkan. And welcome everybody. If you're new to the stream, make sure to subscribe, like the stream also. There is a giveaway. Check out in the pin message. You can still subscribe. 50k starter account from My Funded Futures. The live wheel spin is gonna be on Wednesday, New York session, maybe around lunchtime or PM session. I think I got filled. I think. Let me see. Yeah, I got filled. All right. My stop loss is gonna be placed down there. And my take profit is gonna be placed way higher. Right up there. That's my take profit. Since I have targets up there at the 70s, I want to exit from this at 59. So this is my trade, and that's it. If it wants to go for the Asia low, it can still do it. It's, you know, it's the typical Monday. We don't know what it wants. I think the 1 hour order block up there is a reasonable target at 18,500. But if it doesn't really want it, then, you know, we're just gonna leave it as it is. There's a short signal. Where? I know candlestick patterns. I recognize some candlestick patterns, yeah. Bearish pin bar on the 15-minute, for example. I know it depends on which candlesticks are you talking about. Fair value gap here. 5-minute, 3-minute. Good morning, Dominic. How you doing there? Applause to Dominic. 5-minute evening star. Oh, this one. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I know what you're talking, evening star, yeah, but you know, there's so many candlesticks patterns all around if you look at the multiple time frames and everything. So I'm not saying they're not good. They're actually good, but I'm trying to look the bigger picture as market structure, and this doesn't mean it cannot go down, but I don't really use them like that. Hey, Amraxov, thank you. Same positions. GG. Thanks for joining the stream there, Abraxofia. Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm out of coffee. So I'm in this position. What's gonna happen? I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen with this position. The only problem we have Asia low down there. That concerns me. But maybe ES wants to push higher. Who knows? Looks bullish though. Yeah. Maybe I'm using a little bit of a tight stop, because if it just spikes down for a few points to take out Asia low and then goes up, we can still have the same scenario. And good to see you too. Thank you, Abraxofia. Thank you, thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? We have so many people from all around the world here. Egypt. Oh my god. One more applause. We have nobody from Egypt here before, at least. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. I mean, You know, I know it's strange because I really wanted to go there. I never seen the pyramids, and I always wanted to see the pyramids in Egypt, but I never get to see it yet. Not yet. But hey, Egyptian people, we love you all. Yeah, we love Egyptian people. And of course, I always wanted to check Cairo. You know. Well, did someone pull the plug from Nasdaq again? Feels like it. Feels like someone pulled the plug again. All right, what can we do? Only thing we can do is wait. GG, Tom. What's up, Nascalp God? You going? Have a good rest if you're gonna sleep. They're huge, yeah. They know, so they pull the plug. Yeah. Yeah. What can we do, right? Guys, this is it. We're just waiting. Trading is boring, as it should be. Rejection of new week open gap? Well, could be. Could be. We do not know. We do not know that. I'm still in this trade. Whatever happens, maybe I'm just gonna let it ride. So I'm overall in the big picture, I'm gonna stay bullish. That's for sure. Otherwise, That is what it is. Okay, still going. Come on. We should see some movement here. These are typically the moves, like if you catch a good move, for example, in the London session. The London moves, you could be holding them for 5, 4, 6 hours even. So I know this year's record trade duration was almost 6 hours for me. I took the trade in London and I was holding it for almost 6 hours, and it reached the take profit eventually, but I was holding it for 6 hours on days like, hopefully not like this, but on days like when they absolutely pulled the plug. Let's go. Yeah. So those must be painful. Oh, those are the most painful. When I see those days turning, I mean, when I see a day like that, of course I'm not babysitting it. I'm just leaving the computer and let the trade ride, you know, because why would I sit all day in front of the screen? I just let it ride, and if it takes me out, it takes me out. And I forgot to say something. Yeah, those are very but only it's only exhausting if you sit right next to it all day. Yeah, so I tried both of those sessions. Like sometimes on those days I was glued to my chair and I was sitting for 5 hours, 6 hours like this in front of the screen, and I was like, oh my god, I wasn't eating, I wasn't drinking, I was just sitting and watching like crazy. So frustrating, and you get super tired because it's that actually, you know, takes out your energy. And so I realized that no, I'm not gonna do that. If I see those days, I'm just gonna leave the screen. I have my stops and take profits in order, and I just let it go. And trust me, I'm just saying this from my own experience. As soon as you do that, if you leave that screen, you go for a walk, do your daily stuff or whatever, it's gonna be much better. Even if you lose the trade, so what? The next trade is coming. So you're definitely out of the kill zone, especially if you're sitting right. I mean, for example, now the kill zone is until 5 a.m. technically. And if you see like the plug is pulled, why should you be sitting all the way until New York session? Just, you know, walk away and do something else. You're going to feel much better about it, even if you lose the trade. Imagine looking at every single candle. Oh yeah, that is very bad. That's actually super stressful also, even if you trade with small size. Yes, I trade every day. I have one funded account, actually two, from TOPSTEP. But the goal here is to build up more funded accounts with these prop firms you see up there. My Funded Futures, Apex, and BULENOX. So I was just telling it at the start of the stream, like from this week, I'm going to be doing the daily recaps again with the funded accounts. I have 3 funded accounts more. Funding pips. Nice one. So I'm gonna be sharing the funded account stats, just like I did in the daily recaps with the evaluations, but I don't want to waste more time on evaluations. I mean, to do the daily recap on the evaluation. So I'm gonna do it on the funded accounts. So the daily recaps are coming back to the fundeds. And I know there are some traders who are sharing 20 funded accounts or 50 or whatever, which is super great. I hope I will be there soon. But for the near term, I'm going to be sharing 2 or 3 funded accounts here on YouTube, and I'm going to be journaling them daily with you guys. Just as I did in March and February, I'm going to show you the account details, the stats, and everything. So right now, of course, the goal is the payout, not just being funded. The funded accounts are done. I mean, they're ready. Now we have to go for the payout. Because, yeah. And I want to thank again for everyone who was using my codes and links in the past month. That affiliate commissions helped me to stay on track and be here full time. So thank you so much. I can honestly say that this year I only took out $350 from TOPSTEP as a payout. So it keeps me alive here on YouTube. So thank you. Much appreciated. TOPSTEP rebuilt only 2 of my 5 accounts. 3 are pending. Erkan, you should write them a support ticket. I'm sure they are going to handle it, Erkan. They have very good support. So just open a support ticket. It should be fine. It should be fine. Life is good. Good food, good drinks, good trades, good weed, good times. There you go, Nesca. God. I like how Alpan trades 150k in 3 months. Yeah, he's using a completely different strategy than I am. So yeah, but hats off. He made nice payouts. So yeah, nice payouts there. Let's go. We are going for it. We're moving forward, Nesca. God. We're moving forward. All right. Now they also 30k as a noob. There you go. The only reason that I couldn't start with too many evaluation accounts, and I can sugarcoat this as much as I want, but I was just not in the position last year and not so much this year as well to buy so many evaluation accounts, like when there was no sale going on. So when I got $200 or $300 extra last month, I knew that for me it would be a cheap option to go for a few new evaluations with Apex and BULENOX. But anyway, long story short, I couldn't afford it because I had some side income, but I had to really calculate how much I'm paying for evaluations and activation fees. That was the only reason. That's the power to, yeah, that exactly, Erkan. That's the power of having 20 PA accounts. Honestly, I know by time comes practice and skills, but I don't know how mentally it's possible to handle 20 accounts, to copy trade them. I mean, even if you copy trade 10 funded accounts, I think it's mentally stressful. I mean, now I think I'm only ready to copy trade 2 or 3 funded accounts at once, even with low risk. because I don't want to mess up my thinking process or anything. But some of those traders, they copy trade 10 or 20 funded accounts, and you know, if you make a mistake, a huge mistake, then all those accounts are flushing down the toilet, and that would be mentally very, very stressing for me. So yeah, that's what I was thinking too. So I was making my financial planning and everything, and I was thinking that if I can constantly pull out money from at least 3 funded accounts in a given month in a period of 30 days, with by just only $1,000 withdrawals, that is $3,000 for a given month. For me, that would be life-changing, guys. That, for me, it would be absolutely a life-changing experience. So I'm not looking for 20 funded accounts now. I will, but for now, I try to do it with 3 funded accounts at a time in a month. So that would be life-changing. And from that point, I try to move on, of course. But that's the first part. Oh, Daniel, sorry I missed your post. For regions, so not really have good English. Can you explain buffer day on my funded futures? Oh yeah, so the buffer is you have to leave. I think on a 50K it's $2,100, and that's the threshold. You can also withdraw the threshold, but I think only 60% of the threshold is available for withdrawal. So minimum withdrawal is $1,000. So I would say try to aim for $3,000 or $3,100 on my funded futures, and then you can take out $1,000 every time. That's what you have to aim for. Just build up that cushion, and that's it. One of them for crypto. I think it's good only for those traders who had huge payouts already and can, yeah, most likely. So I will be looking for that too in the future when I'm gonna have huge payouts. Then of course I am going to copy trade as much as I can. You're still holding? All right. The only bad thing, guys, that I have to tell you is that I have to go for a meeting real soon. So I'm gonna have to leave you guys shortly. But there is something I have to handle. And I'm gonna leave the trade, of course. And we'll see how it goes on. But Camille, hey there, love you too. I got out Asia highs. Nice. Mindside, huge applause to you. I'm aiming for 1 account only, Summer, because that's the difference between buying 1 or 20. If I'm not on point, that's a very good strategy there, Dominic. I understand the 20 Apex accounts, but it is not really trading. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I mean, in a few minutes. In about 5 minutes, I'm leaving, guys. So I have to go for a meeting. And that's the thing. But hey, guys, I mean, until I'm here, let me tell you that I'll try to get back to the market open, at the New York market open. I'm gonna leave the trade on. Of course, tomorrow there's gonna be another London session as well. And yeah, and what else? My funded future still has a code 5% off expert accounts as well. Grab some codes, grab some discounts. Some good sales are still going on. And yeah, I'm leaving the trade, aiming for those buy size, but it could be going sideways from here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna let it play out from here. 100 points, nice. Anyway, what you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna go. I'm sorry this was a short stream, but I'll be back. Maybe not early in the New York kill zone, but trying to be here around the market open. Maybe we'll have something to go with. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Check out the giveaway. There's the link. And everybody, I love you all. Thank you for the support. And see you guys soon. All right. Cheers, everyone.